Uh, we'll start with the very basic. These are all your in the first. I have already told you what are the tools and all. So now I'm just going to create a very simple. Show the difference. Now, for example, I went to this set, and here you can see a background which is already moving. When I play it, already it is moving. Yes, that means the background is moving. Now I want to bring a person who is running, or maybe he is walking. Okay, so here this is our timeline. You need to put it till minus till 6. I'm just going to write the first uh, of my story. So 6 is going to be the title. This is my workspace. Now as I can see, my background is moving. I simply have to just bring a character which is running. Maybe you can see this is running. Now this is the side of the character, so I cannot bring it here since it's from the front side. So either I have to show him doing this or this from the front view. So I need to search which one I want. I cannot put this side views. Okay, now let me uh, put him here. Since this character is big, why? Because he is in the front. Okay, and another character I'm going to bring who is little bit smaller. Why? Because he is far from us, far from our camera angle. This is our camera. Now as you can see, when I take my marker from here to there, only my character is visible here. Why? Because my character has been dropped here. So always we should remember, put the marker in the mm, place where you want your character to be, and then you can move it, or you can bring your marker first and then put the character. Similarly, I need to pull this blue color one. Okay, number maybe little bit here, and you can see I have to put him from the beginning. So as I can see both are running. Maybe he is chasing this man. Okay, and now you can see something happen. Where is the front character? What is happening? Because I have only this part till here. This character is still here, so I need to pull him to the end. Similarly, if I click here, you can see it is till the end. Now if I play it, you can see both are running. Now what is the difference is, the background is moving, the character is static. This is the first thing. Next, one more I'm going to show, that is you can edit here also. Scene 1, you can make it scene 1. Okay, where the background is moving, character is static in one place only, he is running. Okay, similarly I'm going to show you a different where the background is static, it is not moving, the background is not moving. It is, for example, the night view. Here you can see the background is static, only this snow is happening, snowfall is happening. Now I want to show the character is walking from left to right. I want to show that. How will I show? So I need to find a character. I need to find a character. If you cannot find, you can write here boy, and so many boys characters will come. Okay, now you need to decide, do you want the front side or the side? I want the side, so I'm keeping it here. Okay, I want a big. Okay, now if I want the boy to walk from this side to that side, then I have to put the boy this side. I have to put the boy out of the scene here. If you want the boy to move from this side to that side, then you have to put the boy this side. Okay, so my boy is this side, means he is walking like this. Okay, now you can see, if I play, the boy is only moving here, so this is wrong. What I need to do in this step, I will pull it to the last and extend this part, and then if you see, you have some circle thing. Okay, if you want your character to walk slow, you need to increase the size of your timeline. Okay, here. Now after this, you need to put this move from left, so you can see your character will be moving. That's it. In the next video I'll do more. Try this, everyone.